Comprehensive Guide, Starting a Business in 2023. Before you embark on your entrepreneurial journey, it's essential to start with a solid business idea. Consider your passions, interests, and expertise. Think about problems that need solving or unmet needs in the market. For example, if you're passionate about eco-friendly products, you might consider a business that focuses on sustainable and eco-conscious solutions, such as reusable packaging or renewable energy. Once you have a business idea, conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience, competition, and industry trends. Use tools like surveys, focus groups, and online research to gather insights. For instance, if you plan to open a coffee shop in a specific neighborhood, research the local coffee culture, demographics, and competitors to identify opportunities and challenges. A well-structured business plan is the roadmap for your business. It should outline your business goals, strategies, financial projections, and marketing plans. Your plan will serve as a valuable reference point throughout your business journey and can be used to secure funding from investors or lenders. Before launching your business, you'll need to choose a legal structure, such as a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Register your business with the appropriate government agencies.